Hi, this is Yuri, and welcome to BLAU Parts. This is a quick product overview for one of our BLAU automatic transmission fluid and filter change kits. This kit fits the 2011 to 2015 Audi Q7 and 2011 to 2017 Volkswagen Touareg models with the Aisin 8-speed automatic transmission. In this kit, we include 9 liters of the Revenol TWS synthetic transmission fluid, transmission filter, the transmission pan gasket spacers, the valve body to filter sealing O-ring, and the drain and fill plug sealing washer. The Revenol TWS is a premium synthetic transmission fluid made and bottled in Germany, and is based on the latest fluid technology, including the use of PAO base oil. This formulation from Revenol provides twice the durability and protection for your transmission compared to other ATFs used for these applications. This is not a universal or generic transmission fluid. It is specifically engineered for the Aisin TR-80 and TR-82 8-speed automatic transmissions used in the Audi Q7 and Volkswagen Touareg models. It meets the VW G055540A2 ATF part number quality specification, which is the only ATF that should be used in these transmissions. For the transmission filter and gasket and related hardware, these are OEM German components that will allow for the exact same fitment and function as the genuine components. So that is a quick product overview for one of our BLAU transmission fluid and filter change kits for the Audi Q7 and Volkswagen Touareg models that came with the Aisin 8-speed automatic transmission. If you have any other questions or for more information on our transmission fluid and filter change kits, feel free to give us a call or visit our website at blauparts.com. Thanks for watching.